Hey guys, this is J&M with the video about making your 3D animations look good and natural in Unity or any other game engine of your choice. In a previous tutorial, the link is added to the description, I explained how to create a jump animation with Blender, then import it into Unity, create an animator controller and a script to use the animation with your third-person player. This is basic stuff that works, but there are some things we have to improve to make the animation look more appealing. For example, here when I jump with the player and keep on moving, the player kind of slides before the landing animation is finished. This doesn't look really professional. Even worse it is for the pickup animation. When I move the character before the animation is completed, it looks like this. You saw this in the end of the animation, one more time here for the other gem. And this looks buggy, but there are ways to fix it. One way to fix it is to use animation events for the imported animations of the character, and I will show this now. You find it here in the importer settings of the FBX importer. I select the jump and animation, and here's a section called Events. And I added an event called Disable Control for the jump and animation at the beginning, and another one called Enable Control before the animation ends. For the pickup animation, I added the same events. The only thing I have to do now is to add C# methods to the player script, the player controller, that have the same name as these animation events. In these methods I set a boolean variable called isControlEnabled. In the method enableControl I set it to true, and in disableControl I set it to false. In the update method, where the player's input and movement is implemented, I only execute this logic if the variable isControlEnabled is set to true. And that's all. Now you can start the game and you can see the difference. When the player jumps and lands again on the ground, the movement is continued when the animation ends. For the pickup animation, it is the same. The player doesn't move before the animation is completed. I added this behavior to the Unity Low Poly Game Kit to the Pro and Free version. The update is currently in review state. So thanks for watching this. I hope you liked these short Unity and animation tips. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Think about supporting me on my Patreon, and I'll see you in the next one.